We got a lot of resources as a realtor that we don't. A lot of realtors don't use it in the way that a wholesaler or investor would use it. I just so happen to know better, so that's how I get my probate leads, my pre-foreclosures, and everything. So it's a combination of everything. But yeah, I like batch leads.
Could you explain what those are for people who might not know that's on here?
So batch leads is a platform where you can pull data, like you can put in there like pre-foreclosures. It allow you to do mailers through batch leads, different marketing, and you can skip trace. That's what I mainly use it for, is to skip tracing. So like if I see a property address and I can't find a number like in Mojo Dollar or something like that, I'll just run it through batch leads and do the skip tracing. There's other platforms that allow you to skip trace, but right now for me, when I compared it, batch leads has some of the most accurate data.